Hello everyone, this is Shawn Batchelor. Welcome to my week 1 review video for MDF3, term 1504. This is the week we were tasked with creating an application that demonstrates our understanding of services. So without further ado, I'm going to go through my application in conjunction with my rubrics. So let's start out by saying the application is structured efficiently and with proper methods and constructs. Application UI uses fragments wherever possible. I do have fragments in my code right here. Everything happens in my main activity fragment and my bound service Java class. The second pointer says media player loads and plays several audio files in sequence. Audio files are loaded from the raw resources directory using a resource URI. So I can show you right here in my Okay, there is my app. It just loaded up. But I'm going to pause it for a second and show you right here where I have my resource URI. So this is my audio path right here. I get my package name and an MP setup audio path. This is where I load the URI resource. Okay, so media player loads and plays several audio files in sequence. And if I continue the demonstration,
your next words carefully, Unitas. They may be your last as king.
And would take more than the words of a drunken adolescent girl to rob me of my desire for you. This is where we hold them!
So as you can see and hear, it plays the audio files in sequence. It updates the title for each of those. And
This is where they die! Give them nothing, but take from them everything! Spartans! Ready your breakfast!
So as you can see, it also updates the name in that notification as well. And that's the 4th point in the rubric that says the notification is utilized to run the application service in the foreground only while audio is playing. Notification shows the currently playing track at all times, and upon being clicked, opens the application if it's not already open, and I'll demonstrate that too. While open, the application UI displays song title as well as working controls for playing, pausing, and stopping audio. So I have my controls here. This is play, pause in 1. This is stop, forward, and backward to skip through the tracks. And let me show you that if I actually do stop the application. So right now, let me play. Let me hit stop. And if I close the application, everything goes away. You can see there's no notification right there. But if I actually restart the application,
Choose your next words carefully, Unitas.
and I
They may
pause
be
it,
your last.
I can pause it. When I close it, the application notification is still there. I can click on the notification and come back to the app. And if I play it,
And would take more than the words of a drunken adolescent girl to
I can
rob me
close
of
the
my
app and
desire
the
for you.
audio continues to play in the background.
This is where we hold them! This is where we fight!
Go back to
This is
notification
where they die!
to open the app. So that's pretty much it. It works as it says in the rubric. I did have a few issues, but thanks to some great input from our professor, I was able to work them out. And just let me go through a little bit of the code right here. So this is my bound service Java file, and right here everything is commented, so you can see what happens when the service is destroyed. I kill the notification. When the media player is prepared, that's when I start everything up, and then I set the names for both the text at the top of the screen as well as in the notification, and then I run the notification. I prepare, and then I play each track with the next track with this method right here, and then I play previous track with this method right here. And this is where I'm setting up my notification and making a notification. In my main activity fragment, is where I do activity created. I start the service, and then I set up a few buttons right here. The methods for the buttons, so playback, pause, forward, and stop. And then down here in my activity state lifecycle methods, I bind the service on start, on resume, and when the activity stops, the service is on. I unbind it, and then when it's destroyed, I have some logic in here that either keeps the notification going and keeps the service going if it's only paused, and then if it's actually stopped, then I'll kill the service and the notification. So that's pretty much all that's happening with the app, and everything should work exactly as it's prescribed in the rubric. Hopefully I implemented them the way it was required from the lesson plans. So anyway, my name is Shawn Batchelor, and this is my week 1 review video for MDF3 term 1504. Thank you very much for watching.